Intelligent transportation systems refers to the integration of advanced technology into transportation infrastructure and vehicles to improve safety, efficiency, and overall mobility. ITS uses information and communication technologies to enhance various aspects of transportation, such as traffic management, vehicle safety, and public transit systems. This includes features like traffic signal coordination, real-time traffic monitoring, electronic toll collection, and the deployment of smart sensors. By collecting and analyzing data, ITS helps optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance transportation safety. Additionally, it supports the development of autonomous vehicles and contributes to creating more sustainable and intelligent transportation networks. In summary, ITS leverages technology to make transportation systems smarter, safer, and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new from this video, subscribe for more.